life before her, when I met her, wala. Sa bahay lang ako naglalaro ng games. Puro ganun lang everyday.
Medyo workaholic kasi ako. Tapos, hindi ako ganun talaga nag-entertain lalo pag outside ng circle ko. Nung nakilala ko siya, parang nakakahawa yung attitude niya na parang gusto mo rin maging good person, ganun.
Oh, a couple fights and lonely nights don't make it right to let it go to waste.
Lagi siyang kinukwento, uy, si John, dapat makilala mo yun kasi ituturing ka niya na parang prinsesa, ganyan. Tapos parang dahil ako, matandain talaga ako pag may mga kinukwento. Naalala ko yun, ang galing ni Lord kasi iba siya mag-orchestrate ng story.
No matter where you are, I'll be there.
Yung first na conversation natin through your business page. Ayun, so medyo na, alam mo yun, parang somehow na-enjoy ko yung conversation. Pero after that, doon ako nagkaroon ng parang strength or somehow parang meron ng lakas ng loob yun to chat you personally.
Everything we've got.
Pag sweet ka, sunod-sunod na yun eh. Yung clingy ka, ganun, tapos may effort, ganyan. Tapos ayun, very caring, yun. Yun yung tingin ko na maglalast talaga. Parang malaki yung trust ko and yung faith ko kay Lord na magiging ganun ka hanggang huli.
One thing na na-appreciate ko sa'yo, is your support for me. Parang feel ko na kaya ko na lahat. Parang ganun. The way you support me kasi that's one thing I really appreciate. And as a response to that, I would do everything. When I think of a future is always with you.
No matter where you are, no matter where you are, I'll be there. No matter where you are, no matter where you are, I'll be there.
Unforgettable. Masasabi ko yung tingin ko yung nagplan siya ng proposal. Tingin ko yun yung special and unforgettable moment.
Yung na yun, yung next step na yun is kinakabahan talaga ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, and yun na yung ini-instill sa akin ni Lord. You are not destined to be alone. Parang no man is an island or hindi ka mag-isa. There's someone na ibibigay sa'yo si Lord. When you came into my life, wow, ayokong maging single forever. So, thank you Lord na hindi yun yung naging gift sa akin. Yung give of singleness. Thankful ako sa
Yung character niya kasi is protector, ganun. Parang you don't have to worry na kahit mag-stumble ka, ganyan, dyan lang siya.
You support me all throughout. Parang feel ko kaya kong harapin or kaya nating harapin yung mga problema sa buhay or any challenges sa buhay with you by my side.